Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about photography. I can say that photography has been like the backbone of a lot of the things I do because I'm a filmmaker, I'm a creative consultant. I do a lot of photography. Now, I started doing photography a long time ago. I think when I was the first time I touched a camera, well, apart from when I was a kid, first time I remember touching a camera and doing some proper photography was in first year uni. And that was like a traditional camera, not like a digital, like the one that you print, you develop and you print. Yeah, that was a long time ago. I didn't really dabble into photography for a while, and then after school, I decided to take out photography. The likes of Imam Bobie, they were doing photography. I saw his images; they were amazing. So I decided to do photography. Okay, so it's been mostly digital. I shot weddings, I shot events, I did documentary photography, commercial photography, all of that. Well, for some time now, the amount of photography I've been doing has really dwindled because it plays just a little part of everything I do. But I've always yearned to go back into photography, and maybe I've been telling myself I'm going to go back into photography. I'll probably buy myself like a film camera, not because I just want to do photography, but I want to be involved in the photography process a bit more. And I feel like digital is nice, but it has its lackluster parts, you know. So when I saw this camera, the Fuji Film Instax Mini 9 camera, I was really intrigued. A friend of mine had one and he took some photos and put them on his IG. And I asked him where he got them from. Shout out to Andy Magite. And I was like, maybe this is interesting. This is what will probably pull me into that field again. So I got this, and I haven't opened it yet. So I've come to open it in front of all of you. So I bought this in Ghana, and it comes with a film. This is the film. I bought a number of them. It has 10 sheets, 2 packs, 10 each. So that's like 20 prints. So this is the camera. Okay. Yeah. First of all, okay, there's what you call it? The documentation. And there's the camera itself. I'm going to get to that, but it comes with a strap. I guess it's a strap. Let's see. Yeah. So this is the strap for the camera. Let's put this somewhere. This is the camera. I like the color. It's not really white. It's like a smoky white. So this is really interesting. Okay, so this is the back. Film goes to the back. Okay, interesting. What else do we have here? We have like a little sticker. And AA batteries. What else is in there? Oops, brought something. Okay, so this is from what I read, this is a close-up adapter, I think. So yeah, this is the camera I got. This is the film. Let me probably open one so you see what it looks like. Okay, so that's it. 2 of them in the box. Okay, so if you're wondering why I got this camera, which is plastic. But yeah, my reason for buying this is because I miss traditional photography. You know, what makes this interesting is you need to know photography. Like, you need to know your settings. You need to know what you're composing. Your composition must be good. You need to picture whatever you're going to take, whatever shot you're going to take before you actually take it, because you just have one chance and the film is gone. You know, and it requires you to use proper photography skills if you want to achieve great results. And for me, that's one of the main reasons why I bought this camera. And also because it's not digital, you can't fix it in post, so you have to be conscious of what you do. You can't be lazy. And I guess the other reason why I bought this is the fact that it comes with prints. You know, prints. I miss prints. You know, you have a lot of photos on your phone and on your laptop, and nobody really sees them till you show it to people or you post them. But this gives me an opportunity to have prints, capture moments, get them in print, possibly put them in an album, exhibit them, frame them up, And I think that's one of the things that gives me the appeal to use this camera. I'm gonna shoot a few things with it. I'm gonna come back on this channel and post some of my results. I'll probably do like a whole project on it. I'm thinking maybe I should just redo my smart project that I did beginning of this year and go out there and have some fun. It's a personal project, it's not commercial, so I'm not restricted. And I got lots of film, so hey, we're gonna film a lot of things. There's more film where this came from. So guys, yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with other people. Subscribe so that when I come back with another video of what I'll be able to do with this, you get a notification and you can come back here and comment. Tell me what you think about this camera. If you have one, let me know if you have one. If you want to get one, tell me why you would want to get one, and probably give me ideas of things you want me to shoot. And I'll just do that, come back here, do another video, and we can take a look at this camera. This is the 9 mini 9, there's an 11, which I'm sure I'll get that depending on how this one goes. I didn't want to get that one because I hadn't used this one. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click the notification button, like the video, share it, and come back for more. Bye.